We're back. It is February the 26th. Pardon my voice, I'm dealing with a little bit of a issue here. Got some laryngitis going on. So anyhow, today we're going to be doing a little bit of liquid lime, getting our sprayer out. We'll be doing some frost seeding, adding some cameras, putting out some corn, some more mineral. It's going to be a good day. We'll bring you along. We're going to be doing a little competition between a couple seeds. We got Domain Seed, we got their Hot Chick that we're going to be doing on half of our food plots, and then we have Hale Habitat Seeds we're going to be doing the other half with. Both are high quality seeds, and so yeah, we're looking forward to doing a little frost seeding with them and getting our chores going. So we're going to head up the hill here as we pull in, and yeah, follow along, like, share, subscribe, bringing you some more deer chores. Alright, we're back. Like I said, it's February the 26th. We're going to be doing a little bit of frost seeding and putting some liquid lime down. Before we get started with that, we got a couple other things we want to get knocked out. We're going to freshen up our mineral site, add a few more pounds to it. We have some persimmons, crushed attractant that we're going to throw on top of it, hopefully kind of bring them in a little bit better. Not that the trophy rock isn't as good, but you know, just something to add a little extra to it. So we got that going on. We're going to throw some cinder blocks down. We're going to be moving our blind, putting it over a little bit more in the corner as compared to straight in the middle. So I got a couple extra pallets here to get it up off of the ground a little bit. And so yeah, follow along and we'll get started. Freshening up one of our mineral sites with Deer Mineral Crushed Rock by Tree Line. I'm going to put another 10 pounds on top of this, and that'll probably be all the mineral we'll do until you know, late summer going into early fall. So we got about 10 pounds there of that, and then the crushed persimmons will go on top of that. We're going to come back, pull the cards here in just a little bit on the cameras, see what all good we got, and I'll post pictures of it. Alrighty, and on to the next one. Spot number 2. Another 10 pounds and another couple pounds of the persimmons on top. And you can tell that they have just been annihilating this stuff. There are so many trails, especially buck tracks, coming down our four-wheeler trail. Sorry, so many tracks coming down our four-wheeler trail. They are tearing this mineral up. I'm telling you, I'm a firm believer in trophy rock, whether it be by Tree Line or the actual trophy rock. You got to get some of this stuff on your farm. The deer love it. And there are just tracks all over the place. A lot of buck tracks, like I said. They are loving it. Alright, now we're down to the easement. Mineral site number 3. mineral site number 3 down in the easement, get it freshened up, and then we're going to move the blind. Alright, got another chore done. We've got the ground blind moved. I'm going to pull it off the tripod here for just a second. So, we got it up off of the ground. Platform, center blocks, and then our blind. We're going to be doing switchgrass all around the perimeter, about a 2-foot perimeter, all the way around the blind in switchgrass, so it'll grow up and get this all nice and concealed. I got some milkweed pods that I'm going to be putting in as well, so yeah, we'll get a good concealment on it. The sun is horrible, so I'm going to get a different angle here so y'all can kind of see what we got going. There we go. And then it puts the easement all out here. Plays perfect for a great north wind. You get the cross traffic that's coming out of the woods here, and out of these woods, crossing the road, coming up into the easement, and so the blind just bodes really well being in this corner as compared to out in the middle where it was. Puts the mineral site here in range, and the soil up here is a little bit better as well, so hopefully our Hot Chick by Domain Seed will come in nice, plush, and full, and we'll have us a nice little kill plot. Alright, on to the next shore. Alright, so we're back in the easement. We're going to throw a camera up on our mineral site that we have over here. Justin's getting zoned in on a pretty good spot there. It's always good to have a buddy out working with you. That way you can bounce ideas off of. It's always better to have 2 sets of brains than one. Sometimes you can catch yourself getting a little too complacent or thinking about things too much. So it's always good to have a buddy that's on the same page with you and you both are working towards the same equal cause. That's how we like to do it here at DHD TV. Alright, camera number 5. It's going over on the west side of our property. Camera will be up here, going some corn here. So this spot, I'm going to step back here by the corn so you can kind of see a 360 of where the spot will be. We have our 4-wheeler trail coming up here off of the easement. And then it comes around and we got the other trail that goes out to the driveway. But then we have this trail here. That's another access up into our lima bean spot up in here. So it's just kind of a natural funnel way. It kind of comes down to 3 different points. 1, 2, 3. It's just a good crossing. It's on the south side of the mountain. So that's why we've kind of chosen this spot. We've never ran corn or anything down in here. But we noticed that they don't mind going next to the driveway over here. And up along the driveway will be frost seed and clover and chicory and alfalfa. So anyhow, I'm just kind of moving our spots around. We already have a bunch of tracks in here. Of course I stepped on them. There you go, right here next to the corn. So, you know, they're definitely using this spot. So that's why we elected to go here. Last camera, last spot for mineral. This spot up in here in particular, we started off with 4 mineral sites, and this one is just getting demolished and hammered. So I'm glad we brought mineral with us this time and decided to go ahead and added another 10 pounds to all the sites. Because I mean, this one is just getting absolutely hammered. All I gotta do is turn this one on. Yeah. All done. Camera there. This is sitting on our lima bean plot. Mineral right there. We're coming down this trail, coming into it. Alright, so got all of our other chores done. Now we're going to start dragging it. Then we're going to add some liquid lime and eventually end the day with frost seeding. So this is our drag that we made. Justin's already got it hooked up to the four-wheeler here, but I'm going to pull it off so I can kind of show you. This thing seats right into the ground. I'm excited to see how it works. So basically just drop her on down like so. Throw our chain over the ball. And we're going to take off. Alright, in this segment of our video, we're going to be doing some frost seeding. Justin's going to be working on putting some liquid lime down, so he'll be doing that, and I'm going to work on frost seeding. We have 2 different types of seeds that we're going to frost seed. Give me just a second. First one is going to be Hot Chick by Domain Seed. And then it's going to be competing a little bit with Hale Habitat Seed. Both of these are supposed to be 2 of the premier, clovers, chicory, and alfalfa mixes that you can get. This is a half acre for 35 bucks, half acre for 35 bucks. So, with that being said, as I'm getting watered on here, or water's dripping on me, we're going to be doing everything in clover. So up on the top we're going to be doing the Hale seed, and then down in the bottom in the easement and stuff like that we're going to be doing the Domain Seed. Everywhere up here has some pretty low pH soil. We're dealing with like 5.5, I would say 5.5, and so that's about spot on with what they both say. They're kind of meant for poor soil habitats. So anyhow, and that's what we're trying to improve. Try to go low maintenance. We don't have the best soil up here per se, so anyhow, that's what we're going with. So we're about to find out which one is the best. My voice is killing me, sorry. I don't even like hearing myself today. Alright, so it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We've got everything limed. Down in the easement, by the way. Got everything limed and frost seeded. Pretty pleased, honestly. Turned out really good. So we did north and south walking east and west. Covered everything from the cabin, clear down to the easement. Got it all done. As you can see, things are already starting to thaw out, but then tonight they'll freeze back. And then tomorrow it's supposed to be a little bit warmer, so it'll thaw out. And so anyhow, this is how you start your frost seeding, is get it all laid out there, and then you want it to kind of warm up during the day and then freeze at night and back and forth, and it's going to naturally suck those small little seeds down into little crevices in the earth. And yeah, it's kind of the best way to get a food plot going. So down in here we did the domain seed, so I'm excited to see how it does. Up top we did the Hale habitat seed. Did a nice broadcast, real heavy. So anyhow, won't have an update for you until things start greening up, but this is the first step to establishing a low maintenance, always having green type of food plot on your property. Here comes Justin to finish off the lime. Alrighty, we'll get back with you.